scroll over, and I'm going to, this is a physics equation. I'm going to type the constant, the independent constant G, which is equal to 9.8. I'm going to type incremental, which for this example I have is 1.5. I will choose a variable t, which represents time, and I will start it to be 3.5. And I will choose a variable d, which represents displacement, to be 1/2 times g times t times t. I will widen out the p column. And to form my independent variable, my column O, which is the t variable, I want the next cell value to be 1.5 seconds, a value of 1.5 greater than the previous t value. So instead of creating a pattern and dragging it out, because I might want to change my incremental value, I'm going to make a formula. I'm going to say let my current value of time, t, equal the previous value of time. I will click on that cell. Whatever number lives in that cell will get incremented by the value of my incremental constant. Now, just so I don't keep repeating my same mistake, I know there's only one value of my incremental, so I'm going to lock that value in with a $sign. I know my incremental lives in the second row, so I'm going to lock in with a $sign. And then when I hit enter, I'm going to drag this formula down to a value of 33.5. And now my d, my distance, is going to equal 1/2, and I'm going to put that in parentheses just to show that is a half, times the g constant, times, and then I'm going to put in parentheses the t times t, which is nothing more than t squared. We don't know how to use functions yet, so I'm just going to multiply whatever lives in O2 by itself twice, and I'm going to hit enter, and that is the right value, 60.025. I'm going to drag that formula down. Looks like same old mistakes. If I double click on it, you'll see I'm grabbing a g constant in row 12, which there isn't one. I forgot to lock in that value of g, and you have to look at which variable is it. Is it O or M? And you'll see that g lives in the M column, so I got to put a $sign in front of the M, and I will drag this formula down for all values of t, and that looks right. I will apply my my usual border to this, and this time I will again, I think I will highlight this table, and I will use Format Painter to copy all that formatting and see if I can save myself some time. I'm going to use the upper left hand corner of the table as my start point, and you'll see very quickly I am able to duplicate that formatting. I just have to make I want to make a couple of changes. One thing I want to do that looks a little different is, instead of having G be one little value up there, I actually want to merge this. I want to merge all these cells together. So in order to do that, I'm going to highlight those cells, and if I right click, I can go to Format Cells, I can go to Alignment, and you'll notice that this is the same border, fill. I'm just showing you a different way to get there. I'm going to go to alignment and I'm going to choose merge cells. Notice you can center horizontally and vertically, which I usually like to do. And when I hit OK, it is going to make, when I select this cell, it's no longer a little box, it's a big giant rectangle occupying all the cells of that correspond to my T data. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to hold the shift key down. I'm going to select all those cells in incremental. I will go to, I'll just do it using the menu. I'll go to more borders. I'll go to alignment, merge cells. And all I have to do is, I will highlight the whole table. I will just put a border, the big thick border around the whole thing again. And it looks like I lost the lines in between those cells, so I will go back, choose a thin cell, okay, I will widen out the end column, and I'm going to get rid of the dots there, since that is 1.5 is original. It doesn't come from anything else. So I will once again go back to more borders, fill, and just choose the blank pattern. There's my fourth example.